Tired of flat, lifeless audio while gaming? Games sound dull, explosions lack impact. You miss out on enemy footsteps and subtle cues. Cables snake everywhere, cluttering your gaming space. Your setup looks messy, wires limit your movement. Lighting is boring, your desk lacks atmosphere. Switching devices is a hassle, nothing feels seamless. Audio controls are buried in menus, hard to reach. You want immersive sound that pulls you in. You need a setup that's clean and easy. Introducing SteelSeries Arena 9 gaming speakers. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. True 5.1 surround sound over a single USB connection. Feel every explosion, every footstep, every detail. Wireless rear speakers means zero cable clutter. Mount them anywhere, no wires across your room. Dedicated subwoofer delivers deep, thundering bass. Separate silk dome tweeters for crisp highs. Organic fiber woofers enhance mid and high frequencies. RGB PrismSync lighting reacts to your games. Transform your desk into a visual spectacle. 4-zone LED sync with on-screen action. Control Pod puts all settings at your fingertips. Adjust volume, mute, or tweak audio instantly. Switch between PC, PlayStation, mobile, or Mac easily. Bluetooth, USB, optical, and AUX for wide compatibility. Plug in a headset anytime, no fuss. Customize sound and lighting right from your desk. No more digging through complicated software menus. Before, flat sound, tangled wires, boring visuals. After, immersive audio, wireless freedom, stunning lights. Before, missed audio cues, frustrating controls. After, hear every detail, adjust settings instantly. Before, cluttered setup, limited device support. After, clean space, connect to anything you want. Before, desk feels lifeless, uninspiring. After, gaming space glows with dynamic RGB effects. Arena 9 brings award-winning sound to your desktop. Feel the difference with true 5.1 surround. Wireless rear speakers give you total freedom. No more tripping over wires or messy setups. 6.5-inch subwoofer shakes your room with bass. Every gunshot, every soundtrack feels real. Silk dome tweeters reveal hidden audio details. Organic fiber woofers deliver natural, precise sound. PrismSync RGB lighting adapts to every moment. Create the perfect mood for every game. Customizable lighting lets you match your style. Control Pod keeps everything within easy reach. Change settings without pausing your game. Switch devices in seconds. No need to unplug. Bluetooth makes streaming music effortless. Optical and AUX ports for even more options. Plug in your headset for late-night sessions. Adjust LED brightness or turn them off anytime. Tweak audio profiles for different genres. Arena 9 adapts to your needs instantly. Perfect for gamers, tech lovers, and movie fans. Upgrade your home entertainment in one step. No more settling for average sound. No more messy cables or boring setups. No more complicated device switching. Arena 9 makes everything just work beautifully. Enjoy immersive sound and stunning visuals together. Level up your gaming with Arena 9's power. Bring your games, movies, and music to life. Ready to transform your desktop experience? Make your setup smarter, cleaner, and more exciting. SteelSeries Arena 9. Hear and see the difference. Upgrade today. Experience gaming like never before. Click now to get your SteelSeries Arena 9 speakers.